Are you tired of your VPN crawling along on a free UDP server while your videos buffer and your downloads crawl? That struggle ends today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up a fast, secure UDP custom connection so you can browse, stream, and download without the constant lag that free servers usually bring you. Let's get started. Open any browser on your device and head to the search bar. Type in UDP Custom and give it a second to load the results. You'll see the UDP Custom website appear near the top. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll land right on the homepage. If you're doing this on a mobile phone, the layout will be a little different, so look for the hamburger icon, usually 3 small lines, in the corner of the screen. Tap it to expand the full menu. From the list that opens up, find and select the Premium UDP option to move forward. On the next screen, you'll be asked to pick a server location. Take a moment to choose the one that works best for you, then click the Select Location button to lock in your choice. Now you'll land on an account creation form. Enter a username and a password of your choosing, then click Create to generate your server. Give it a few seconds while the system builds your connection details. Once it's ready, you'll see your server information on screen. Copy those details carefully because you'll need them in the next step to connect through Socksip Tunnel. If you haven't used Socksip Tunnel before, don't worry. I'll walk you through it right now. Head over to the Play Store and download Socksip Tunnel. Once it's installed, open the app and you'll land on the home screen. Tap the gear icon on the left side of the screen to open the settings, and from the Tunnel Mode section, select UDP Request. Then, tap into the UDP request configuration to continue setting things up. This is where you'll paste in the server details you copied earlier, entering each piece into its matching field exactly as shown. Once everything is filled in correctly, all that's left is to tap the Start button. Give it a moment to connect, and just like that, you're running on a fast, secure UDP connection. And that's it. You now have a quick, reliable way to set up UDP Custom for a smoother, faster, and more secure internet experience without relying on overloaded free servers. If this helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button. Drop a comment letting me know how it worked for you, and share this video with anyone else who's dealing with slow VPN speeds. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.